Well, here we are again.
Nearly a full week in Finnecay now.
Yeah, it's absolutely love the place. Just popped out for a walk with Oscar first thing in the morning.
Who hasn't seen that cat over there?
Our solar panels arrived this morning and our charger arrived yesterday. It's been delivery service is absolutely great. Brilliant. So today's video, you're going to do some woodwork, aren't you?
Yeah, we've started our clean-up maintenance.
So teak.
I've done the teak.
You've done the teak.
Well, one more coat on each, so.
We made a little video for our friends on Dusk.
Who arrived the other day.
Who came in the other day, really windy it was, but we managed to get a little video for them for their Facebook group. And I did something else, didn't I?
Yeah, he got the jigsaw out. I mean, we have been here a week.
We have been here a week. So enjoy the video, we'll see you at the end. Whenever I make something, I like to draw it up first, get all the dimensions right. Can you guess what it is I'm going to make? We went to this fantastic market, only a kilometre or so away from the boat. And Cindy started on the teak. We also made a little video for our friends on Dusk, Steve and Tracy, on their amel. This is Finnecay. It's going to be our winter mooring. The mountains behind, as you can see on Google Earth, are pretty high. In fact, there's some 7,500 plus feet above sea level. Luckily, the farmers' market isn't uphill or downhill. In the valley, further down next to the river, is a massive farmers' market. I'll show you what we saw. I do like a tato. There's over 2 kilos of potatoes for £1. Look at this, all homegrown. These little allotments and back gardens and small holdings, little farms. Stuff is unbelievably fresh. There's just seen a truck out the back unloading stuff. It's still got on the wheels from the farmyard. Are they radishes? That's the biggest radishes I've ever seen, and the guy's just cut one open and given us a taster, and they are gorgeous. In the UK, our radishes are like, well, an inch and a half in diameter. I am loving Turkey. I'm loving it here. The people, the food, just absolutely brilliant. Pomegranates, pears, courgettes, grapes, coriander. So what do you think of Turkey?
Oh, I love Turkey.
Apparently those red things are called fruit. Coriander. Well, that was an interesting flight. I think I've captured all the important bits, but it was very, very tricky. Look at how that wind is blowing. We were exceeding the parameters of the drone a little bit. I had to get it in sport mode to make it penetrate, get back into the wind. So let's see what the footage looks like.
lucky. 운명이라 믿어요. 오랜 친구였던 그대와 나 사이에 묘한 감정들이 자라기 시작했죠. You feel so right. I'll be your night. 시작인 걸 우리 둘. 아름다운 그대여. I just feel so lucky. 운명이라 믿어요. 밤하늘 수놓.
We have been here a week, so of course the jigsaw's out. Are you going to explain what you're doing?
No, it's a secret. If I tell anyone, I'll have to kill them. So as I said before, when I make something, I do like to draw it up first. Make sure I've got my dimensions right. Make sure there's not a better way of doing something. It's easy to do. This is Google SketchUp, a 3D drawing package. There's tutorials you can see on the web on how to use it. Do you know what it is?
2 pieces of wood with a long bit.
So a piece of marine ply, screwed in there, countersunk. Piece that 45 out the 45 by 45 out the scrap bin. 2 stainless steel screws so that we can take it apart and store it in the summer. Make sure to last. That's it. Hold it down. Out comes the horrible fuel cans. Okay, and down you come again nice and slow. That's it.
Job done.
Job done.
Good job, team.
Wow.
That works, doesn't it?
It
Perfect
does.
fit.
Yeah. It's a dinghy frame. It just holds the back of the transom off the boat. Stops it wearing through the sponsons. And of course we had enough timber to make a second one for David on Eternity. They're really handy. You can now get the hatch open underneath the dinghy.
I'm going to sand this teak. Clean it first and the handrail. Yesterday I did the doors.
They're looking great. On the tread, yeah. You made a cracking job of them, babe. You know I'm always moaning that a weed whacker starts up or a dog starts barking. Whenever I start to do work with sound or take video. At the moment, I'm editing this week's video. Every boat should have a SID.
Pardon?
Every boat should have a SID. No more red port left. A cracking job, darling. Well done.
I need to polish, but it's no point doing it until it's
No. All these done. They do look dark when they're first done, don't they? But it lightens up.
I just need to take this bottom of this table off when they're dry.
Yeah. You supervising, Oscar? Oh, snoozing. No, it's not a swimming pool. This is the area that they set aside for people washing their canvas and their sails. So there's a downwind sail hanging up there drying. Got lines across, hose in the corner. and some scrubbing brushes and brooms and what have you left. That's the toilet and shower block. The water's heated by the sun when there's sun, or electric when it's not sunny, but it's been sunny almost every day here. There's those mountains. Can you see those mountains at the back there? They are 7,500 plus feet high. Apparently there's a ski resort up there somewhere. Lemon tree, pomegranate tree, lemon tree, orange tree at the back, another orange tree over the back there, another one next to that lardoneva there, pomegranate tree there, and the marina just say, yeah, if you want an orange or a pomegranate or lemons, just go and pick them, otherwise they fall to the ground, they throw them in the bin. Some little olive trees here. There's a guy out with a bucket picking all the olives the other day. How good is that? You won't get that at Port Solent, will you? Orange trees. Lovely. We love Turkey, don't we? I like Turkey.
And yesterday, our neighbours, our Turkish neighbours, invited us for a traditional Turkish breakfast, which lasted all morning.
Yeah, it was lovely.
It was lovely. Can't thank them enough.
Yeah, it was great, Mr. Oki and his wife. Yeah, we had a traditional Turkish breakfast. Just invited over, come and have breakfast with us. It was lovely. Perhaps we'll show you some of the food. You've got some pictures. Yeah, it was gorgeous. Hospitality here, the attitude of the people, just amazing. Absolutely amazing. We love it. I think we're going to stay a while, darling. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. We're going to be doing lots and lots of maintenance in the future, as we showed you in the last video. It's that time of year, we've got lots to do. So
get the boat back up to spec.
Yeah. So everything from mechanical, electrical, some gel coat repairs. Got a couple of little chips in the gel coat that've got to be done. We'll show you how to do those.
Big thank you to our Patreons as usual, and our subscribers.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Sorry, the dog's walking away.
If you like our videos, then please give us a like, subscribe, and of course share. There's a button down there, or you can just click on the Impavidus logo in the bottom corner there. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Sail safe.